BuyMote E-Shopping Application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store and App Store. Click below link and install the application and make use of it for all of your grocery and general purchasing.
Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all doing good. I am happy to see you all again in this video. Welcome back to our channel B-Neg. What are we going to watch today is how the macroeconomics news events result helped me to choose the right bias in my last week trading on ESFutures. Before going into the video, those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, let's go into the video.
As you all know, the macroeconomics events such as ISM manufacturing PMI, ISM service PMI, payroll and unemployment rate, CPI, retail sales, FOMC, advanced GDP. So these are the primary macroeconomics events. Apart from these, some secondary events also there like unemployment claims, FOMC meeting minutes, PPI, industrial production, housing data, core PC, price index and trade balance. So these are the major macroeconomics events which we are looking on while we are trading in the trading desk, especially while we are trading in the US market. Now I'm going to show you how these macroeconomics events results will help me to take my trading bias in the right direction, whether it is long or short. For that, I'm going to take one of my trade which I have taken last week in 21st of November. How I choose the trading direction with the help of these macroeconomics events results, which help me to take the correct trading bias. Through that, how I make it that particular trading day as a profitable one. Come, let's see. We will directly jump into that particular day, which is 21st of November trade. Normally, I trade on E-Mini S&P 500 futures market and the December expiry. The exchange is CME. Firstly, let's see the hierarchy of that particular day. CBA, I have two CBAs, CBA 11 and CBA 12. And CBA 12 is the latest, most recent CBA, and our value migration is down. And my list is CBA 12 high, which is 5,925. Then DVA. The overnight market condition is looks like imbalance. The rhythm is 1.5 SDFT. Finally, OF is cumulative delta. It looks like 3,530. That means the buyers were more than the sellers. Secondly, let's see the contextual hypothesis. Overnight session, we were trading above the CVA, so my primary hypo was long, which I mentioned in the green color, and the secondary hypo was short, which I mentioned in the red color. If the price approaches the CVA 12 H and buyers to control the market, then possibility to imbalance up to touch the CVA 11. That is my primary hypo, which is long. My secondary hypo was short if the price approaches the CVA 12H and give RVPP, then possible to balance at CVA 12. This is my secondary hypo, which is short. Next, this is our major part of our video. We are entering into the macroeconomics news event. For that, normally I refer investing.com. Even some people are referring Forex Factory website also. So generally, when it comes to macroeconomics, like I said earlier, such as ISM manufacturing PMI, ISM service PMI, payroll, unemployment rate, CPI, retail sales, FOMC, advanced GDP. So these are the primary macroeconomics events. Apart from this, some secondary events also there like unemployment claims, FOMC meeting minutes, PPI, industrial production, housing data, core PCE price index, and trade balance. So these are the major macroeconomics events which we are looking on while we are trading in the trading desk, especially while we are trading in the US market. What are the news events laid on that particular day is 8:30 a.m. in the morning, initial jobless claims. The same time, Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index and 10 a.m. existing home sales. So these are the three major macroeconomics events laid under that particular day, 21st of November. Now let's see the results of that macroeconomic news events. Initial jobless claim forecast was 220K, but the actual came to 213K. Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index forecasted was 7.4, but actual was minus 5.5. Existing home sales forecast was 3.95 million, and actual was 3.96 million. So, this is the actual result came on that particular day. These results were clearly says that the market is bullish. That was the main reason which I took long bias instead of short bias. Even though market has given the RVPP below my list, which is CVA12H. Not only that, as you can see, the cumulative delta bar chart versus the VWAP chart says that there was no sellers. Almost sellers were gone. The time to enter the buyers, as you can see, I marked in blue line. So the macroeconomics event results are bullish. VWAP chart versus delta chart telling that there was no sellers. Also, the market condition was even balanced. So these all things come together in my mind to go for the long bias instead of short bias. Even we got a RVPP inside the CVA 12, that means below my list. Finally, I secured $1,100 profit in this trade by choosing the correct bias with the help of macroeconomics news events. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any comments, please let me know in the comment section. I will see you all in another video. Until then, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more topics and videos. See you soon.